Alright, ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. So a quick one right here. This is for all Celia miners. So the Celia conversion from the point to the real Celia tokens has already been activated. So as we all know, it is done every last day of the month. So the button is already active right now. So I want everybody to jump on it and activate your points right here to the main Celia tokens. Do that immediately after watching this video to avoid losing your points, right? So this is how to go about it, step by step, easy peasy. Is as simple as that. Firstly, you guys can see what I have right here. So I have 1,397,397 points right here. So I'm going to be converting it to the main Celia tokens right here. So let's go. This is all you have to do and how to go about it. You come to this particular button that they say claim, right? So you tap on the claim button. So let me do that. Tap on the claim button and you guys will see that the button is now active. All right, so what do we have to do here? You have to put the Celia point that you have right here, put the point at this first one right here, and they are going to show you the conversion at the second down part. So let me quickly do that. I have 1,397,397, 1,397,397. All right, so you guys can see the equivalent right here. So this is what it is going to give me in Celia tokens. 191 Celia tokens, the real Celia tokens, right? So all I have to do is just simply hit on the button that says confirm, or claim anyone. Both confirm and claim the same thing, right? So I'll just tap on the button down here. So I'll click on it and you guys will see claim processing successful, everything completed and stuff like that. So this is just the breakdown right here. You can see from point to Celia token completed, which is the transaction or details successfully claimed and the amount of Celia that I claimed, right? So that is just how to do that. So if you know you are participating in this particular project, do well to go ahead right now and process your own, convert it to the main Celia tokens, right? To avoid them burning your coins, right? So that is just that. Let's go back and the quick information right here for everybody that are participating in this project as well. According to the platform, from the 4th or 5th of next month, which is already here, any Celia that you hold which is not in the main Celia app right here, they are going to burn it. So if you know you have Celia, maybe in your MetaMask, your Trust wallet, your any wallet at all, wherever you are holding it in any other decentralized exchange, they encourage us to make sure we transfer everything right here in the main Celia app. Okay, so just head straight to Play Store, download Celia, set up your account with your own details, then come here where they wrote to receive, click on it right here. You see this one that says right, Celia token. So click on Celia token right here. So you will get your address. You select network, select BNB, then click on get your wallet. So this is what you have to do. You copy this wallet right here from your own. Okay, copy it and head over to wherever you have Celia, paste it right there and transfer all your Celia to the main Celia dashboard right here to avoid losing your hard-earned coins, right? So that's just that in this particular early morning update. So do the needful and be on the right track. Thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way, stay safe and bye for now.